as I take on the challenge of losing weight using just a few simple measurement hacks. Can I really make it easy? Losing weight can be a daunting task, but what if I told you there's a way to make it easier and more effective? By using simple measurement hacks, you can streamline your weight loss journey and achieve your goals faster. In today's video, we're going to explore these hacks and how they can help you succeed. When it comes to weight loss, many of us have been there, feeling frustrated, overwhelmed, and stuck. We've tried every diet under the sun, spent hours at the gym, and still, the numbers on the scale just won't budge. It's disheartening, to say the least. We feel like we're doing everything right, but somehow, it's just not working. The truth is, traditional methods can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get lost in the sea of conflicting information. From counting calories to tracking macros, it's easy to get caught up in the minutiae of weight loss. And let's be real, who has the time or energy to meticulously track every single morsel of food that passes our lips? It's exhausting just thinking about it. And what about the gym? How many of us can honestly say we enjoy spending hours on the treadmill or lifting weights? For many of us, it's a necessary evil, but not exactly our favorite pastime. So, what's the solution? How can we make weight loss easier and less overwhelming? That's where these simple measurement hacks come in. By using a few clever techniques, you can take the guesswork out of weight loss and start seeing real results. One of the most effective measurement hacks is portion control. By using a food scale or measuring cups, you can accurately gauge your food intake and avoid overeating. It's amazing how quickly those extra calories can add up. But with portion control, you can keep your diet on track. Another hack is tracking your progress effectively. Rather than relying on the scale, try taking progress photos or tracking your body fat percentage. These metrics give you a more accurate picture of your progress and can help you stay motivated. Another hack is to focus on habits rather than goals. Instead of saying, I want to lose 20 pounds in 2 months, try saying, I will eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. By focusing on habits, you create a sustainable routine that leads to lasting results. And let's not forget the power of accountability. Share your weight loss goals with a friend or family member and ask them to hold you accountable. This added pressure can be just the motivation you need to stay on track. But out of all the hacks, there's one that stands out as the most impactful. And that's the concept of tracking your progress, not your perfection. So often, we get caught up in trying to be perfect, eating perfectly, exercising perfectly, and expecting perfect results. But the truth is, no one is perfect, and it's okay to have off days. By tracking your progress rather than striving for perfection, you'll be more forgiving of yourself and more likely to stick to your goals. In fact, this hack has been a game changer for me. By focusing on progress rather than perfection, I've been able to stay motivated and see real results. And I know it can do the same for you. So remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress and celebrating those small wins along the way. To recap, today we explored some simple measurement hacks that can help make weight loss easier and more effective. From portion control to tracking progress, these techniques can help you stay on track and achieve your goals faster. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress and celebrating those small wins. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have a favorite weight loss hack or tip, be sure to comment below and share it with the community. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on healthy living and weight loss. Don't forget to tune in next time when we'll be discussing healthy eating habits and tips for meal planning.